So before starting this video, guys, I have a small request to all of you. Just go to the description to find my friend's YouTube channel link, which is the Be the Expert. Just go and subscribe to him and get all the important tips and tricks related to the mathematics. Okay, so let's start the video now.
Hey, what's up guys, my name is Srivastava and welcome back to your channel. So guys, today in this video show you that how can you run any sort of the hacking app or the Termex app or any sort of the operating system like the Kali Linux or Ubuntu without affecting any of your personal data or app. Because previously you guys commented that you wanted to use all those tricks but you are afraid to share your data or you are afraid to share any of your personal app. You don't want to break your smartphone, so that's why I did not use any of my previous videos tricks. So today in this video, I'm going to show you that how can you run a virtual Android operating system on your base Android operating system that you're using on your smartphone right now. So basically, this virtual Android operating system will be based on the Android Nougat, which is the Android 7.1. So this is going to be so much useful for those who wanted to use any sort of the experimental thing like installing the Termex, installing the Kali Linux, but they don't want to alter any of their personal data or app. So they are very much afraid to make sure that they do not break their smartphone. So with the help of this, basically they can basically install this thing on this virtual Android operating system, and later on they can be make sure that their personal data, their personal Android operating system, which is basically the base operating system, will not get affected. So this is going to be so much useful for those who want to do these things of the experimental thing, and I hope you will like it. So let's start this video without wasting any more time.
So here you can see, guys, I'm on my smartphone. So first of all, you need to download an app which is called the Virtual Android. So to download this app, just go to the Play Store. Here, let me zoom on it. Like this, and search here for the Virtual Android. Virtual Android. Okay, just open it. So this is the app that you need to download and install. So just click on the install and let the download process to begin. Let me reduce the brightness of my phone a little bit. So here you can see the app is downloaded and installed. Now what you have to do, simply have to click on the open. So it will show something like this. Let me reduce the brightness a little bit more. So it will ask you to download some file of 611 MB. So what you have to do, simply click on the confirm and let the download process to begin. So just wait here and let the download process to be completed. Okay, so it will ask you for some permission. So just allow everything, allow using this app, allow using this app, and click on allow. So you can see the setup is completed, and now when you will click on the start, it will start the virtual Android on Android phone. So you basically will have the two Android operating system on one smartphone, and you can use one, which is this one, for any sort of the experimental purpose. Like if you want to install the Termex and install the Kali Linux and do any sort of the hacking, anything, you can do it inside this operating system, and you can use your base operating system, which is the default operating system, without disturbing anything on your phone. Okay, so this thing can very much useful for all those who always like to do some sort of a tricks or experimental thing. Okay, so here you can see it's fully set up, and I also give the link of this app in the description, so you can directly download from there. So when the download process will be completed, it will show something like this. Now click on the start, and here you can see installation is started. So after the download will be completed, the installation will start like this. Let me reduce the brightness a little bit, and here you can see it's booting up the different Android OS. So basically this is the another operating system, another Android OS running over your current Android OS, and it is not affecting any of your app, any of your file. So it's basically a different Android OS running on your personal Android OS. Okay, so here you can see this is the Android OS, and if you want to go to your base Android OS, which is the default operating system installed in your phone, So what you can do, you can simply just click on the home button like this, and you are back to your Android OS. Okay, and here you can see, and if you want to go back, simply swipe up and go back to that Android OS. So basically it's very simple. Like if you can see here, you can see the notification panel, everything, status bar, and you can go to the setting of this Android OS like this. So it's very much similar to the VMOS, but VMOS was very unstable, and this one is very stable, and you can use it for any sort of the purpose. Okay, and here you can see the Android version. Here is the Android 7.1.1, which is the Android Nougat, and even you can just log in any of your Gmail account in the Play Store like this. It will ask you to sign in. You can just log in any of your Gmail and install the app from the Play Store, and even you can use the Google Chrome to download it from any sort of the third party website. Okay, even you can create a new account for this virtual Android. I will suggest you to create a different account, a new account from here, and use it for only this virtual Android. Okay, don't log in it anywhere else. Just use that Gmail inside this virtual Android OS and use it for installing any sort of the app, any sort of the files. Okay, so let me go back to the home screen, and here you can see you'll find a file explorer. Basically it will ask you to download it from the Play Store. So the default app which comes pre-installing it is a camera app like this. Click on the allow, click on the next. So this is the default Google camera app, and you will get it in your phone like this. So you can use it, it's up to you. And you will find the calculator app, and in the gallery section will find all the files or photos of yours. Right now you can see there is not any photo of mine in this gallery because I just installed this virtual Android. Now click on the home button. Even you can import different apps from your base operating system like this. Click on the allow from this source. So here you can see it's rebooting because I given some permission to it, so it will reset itself. Okay, so you can basically click on the import and import any of your OS, and you can basically import any of your application from your base OS. Right now you can see I use the Popcorn Time or Call of Duty, and even the Lightroom, Snapchat. So any of your favorite app you can import it directly to this virtual operating system without installing or downloading it. So it's very much useful because if you don't want to log in your Gmail in your Google Play Store, so basically you can install that app in your base operating system, and later on you can import it using this option. Okay, so it's very much useful for all of you, and even the internet is working. So let me give you a demo of it. Click on the accept and continue, and click on the next. Click on the no thanks, and now you have the Google Chrome, and just open the YouTube, and you can see internet is also working inside this app. So it's very much useful for everyone who want to do any sort of the trick and tricks or experimental things on your smartphone, and they don't want to alter their main operating system. They don't want to alter any sort of their personal file or app. They just want a separate fresh Android operating system to do any sort of the tricks or any sort of the experiment on it, and it will be only be done inside this operating system. So you don't need to be worried about anything, because if any case if in the case any problem will arise, you can basically simply just go to your main operating system like this, and you can simply just uninstall the virtual Android app. Okay, and you can just reinstall it. You will get it back in the fresh mode. So it's very much useful for all those who wanted an Android operating system which can be used for any sort of the experimental thing, and they don't want to alter any of their personal file or app. They can use it, and it's going to so much useful for all of you. Okay, and even you can set up one thing, like you can just install the terminal inside it and then install the Metasploit framework, and later on you can just create a payload or a virus and then install it on your main operating system and just use it as a LAN attack, like a attack over the local area network. You can use it, and just you have a two different operating system. One is the virtual Android like this, and one is the base operating system, that is your pre-installed Android operating system on your phone. So you can use it for any sort of the experimental purpose, and it is going to be so much useful for those who know how to use it properly. So I hope you guys you like this video, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon, because I'm going to make many amazing videos ahead. Like I'm going to show you that how can you install the Windows 11 on your Android phone. Even I'm going to show you that how can you run the Mafia 2 GTA 4 on your Android phone, and it will be the playable in your phone, and I will show you full step-by-step tutorial. So just for that, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So that's all guys for this video. I hope you like it. Have a good day, good luck, and bye. Take care.